Hey everyone, Force Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat C14A or C14B error message that you may be getting when trying to log in. And I'm going to explain why this is happening and how you can resolve it as well. So if you're having this issue, first thing is to note that there's usually an issue with your login. It could be network related issue, often tied with things like VPN, device setting, or account flags. However, you can follow these steps to kind of address those issues. Very first thing, you want to check out that if you're not using a VPN on your phone, the VPN is going to prevent it. So if you have a VPN turned on in your setting for an iPhone, for example, we'll go to Settings, General, and then check that there is no VPN turned on. Sometimes a VPN will go ahead and block connections. Same thing you would do on an Android phone as well. Now, another thing you also want to check out in the setting in general is the date and time. Make sure the date and time is correctly in your zone. If this is not correct, you can turn off automatically, set it manually, but ideally it should be set automatically as well. Now, if you're still having issue, let's say you're using maybe the Wi-Fi and it's not issuing incorrectly, turn off the Wi-Fi and try using your data to log in. Now, if you're on data, try to connect to a Wi-Fi and then trying to log in as well. As that could be, if it's a network related issue, it can go ahead and fix that for you. So go ahead and try that. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is update the app. So for this, you can either go to App Store or the Play Store, and then you're going to search for Snapchat to see if there's an update available. So if I search for Snapchat and I'll click on it, and here it's already updated, but if you see the word update, you're just going to click on the update as well. Like you'll see an option that says update, you'll just click on to update it for Snapchat. So that will update the app. So if it's an app issue, it'll go ahead and fix it. Now, in a scenario, maybe you update it, it's still not working. The next thing you want to go ahead and try to do is deleting and reinstalling the app. So in that case, you press and hold, click on remove app, delete app, or you'll click on uninstall app on Android phone. And then you will go over to the App Store or the Play Store and then search for it and then reinstall it again. That'll just make sure that the app isn't the problem itself. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that if you're using any third-party apps, for example, Snapchat Plus Plus or Phantom or any other third-party app to try to do certain things with Snapchat, you want to remove those. Sometimes they can also cause account issues and Snapchat might flag your account for that. So remove those and try logging in. Now, if you're still having issue, the next thing you're going to do is restart your device. Usually restarting can go from just turning on and off your phone. For example, on iPhone, I pull down the menu, slide to power off, or you can just use the volume up and side button to power off as well, and then power back on with the side button here. And you'll follow the same thing on an Android device. Just restarting your device can also help. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and do a network reset on your device. So what you need to do is go into your setting and then you go to General and then scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone. Let's go to Reset, and you're going to do a network setting reset. Now, the network setting reset will just reset the network setting. It will not delete any of your data. Same thing you want to follow on an Android phone as well. And let's say all of this isn't working. The next thing you can check out is use a browser. Next thing you want to do is go on any browser and just go to Accounts, Snapchat. So you're going to search up this on Google, but basically you're going to go to accounts.snapchat.com and try to log in from here. See if you can log on in the browser. And if you have any issues, you can go ahead and go from there to fix it so it's not an app-related issue. Now, if you did this and all of this is not working, the best thing to do is actually wait it out somewhere between 24 to 48 hours before just keep on trying it, because that's going to even lock your account more. Sometimes, as I said, the account could be temporarily locked or there's an issue with the server, and the best way to kind of wait it out and see what happens. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.